jinjom, jinjom. BJP ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom. BJP ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom. BJP ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom. BJP ka jinjom. Narendra Modi zindabad. Zindabad, zindabad. Modi ji zindabad. Zindabad, zindabad. Nikhariya BJP ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom. Ka jinjom, ka jinjom. BJP ka jinjom. Narendra Modi ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom. Narendra Modi ji ka jinjom. Jinjom ka jinjom.
Ki nongelam ka BJP Meghalaya ha ka Southrik Jemang kila pun pau bagi dan ya ka jingkirmen ka baskem baka sengkan la ban le bha ba job palat shpongut bat yalam ya ka sorkar ha u arajar arpra ya kani kila pun pau da ka bakdaw halor ki kam babha jong menteri rang ba do kari u Narendra Modi bar ka jingjob dan buram ha ka election ha Assam kum ki sakhi halor ka rukam sanchar khadar ka babyang Habakali kumno ka BJP kan laban kiyo nakajingdan arngut ki MLA syakalai po arngut. U menteri sorkar bat nangalam ka BJP uba sanbor sulai ulaong. Ngintre shitam. Kipat ba haki jaka sor bat kithan nong kendong. Mentang kilas dang ban pediang ye kikam babha jong menteri rang bakdo Narendra Modi. Kumtangin yo ya ka jingjob bat ngin tawi ka sorkar ha u arhajar arpapra ula benram. Habang nilai cekalang kita nong kendong, baru kipat ba kam tam na ki hinmen ki para ki badai na ki balang Kristan haus nam arjar arpra, kin vote shispa na ka shispa syaka BJP ula benram.
Wherever we travel, especially in the rural area, all the people, especially our brother from the Christian community, in 2028 they will vote 100% for BJP. We will work hard. And the people of Meghalaya, be it in urban and rural, now they have started accepting the good works of none other than Narendra Modi ji. So that's why we are winning. We will form the government in 2028.
Kat ba u MLA ka BJP na penthor umkra uba AL hek ula nujor. Ya ka jing nang klan hapo ka jela bar ka jing kiyo jo ka BJP hapo ka ri da ka baong. Ka BJP ka sedang da ka job tang arsid bat mentang keladon haduk palat arspa aduk laispa sid. Kani kan sa urlong ru ha Meghalaya na ka arsid ngin sa jam syakman banyalam sendan ya ka sorkar ha Meghalaya. Ula ong ru bawat la ka BJP ka day ka parlok ha ka kinhun ka sorkar MDA balayalam da ka NPP. Hindre kanya kun hala ka jong bat ka BJP kanya kun marway ha ka election ha u arja arpra.
BJP started with 2 seats only. So now they have come to 300 seats. So
yes,
that is also the trend in Meghalaya. With 2 seats, we are going to let the BJP government in the state of Meghalaya. We are only alliance as the government as a partner. But while we are talking about the election, we'll be fighting separately. And BJP will fight alone for the upcoming election in 2028.
Like we have done in the last election.
Unong aiktin barang ba ka BJP uba Maria Hom karkerang ulaong nget ya nga ong menta ba pinyo i ha u arata arpapra pinwan biang syangi bat pinyo i ba ka BJP kan jump palat shposim. Halor ka jingjit ya ukur tong banya aireng na kabentak election sheeting samoy jong ka shulong lok sabha uba karkerang ulaong bakila ya syakman ha kabayaday bat ken kabenta. Ha ka jing shisha nila yo buon ngon ki bala apply bat sisien bala adam ban shim ya karai ngin mi pura nakabenta unu ukur tong ubasya jien. Henry ya katarik ban penlong ya election 48 bana ulaong. Uba karkerang ulaong sushim nuksa nak Assam nga parai hadin shpos nam jong ka jing sanshar ke BJP ha Assam bat ki waipat ki jela ke ka bangi syam ha Assam ke day ka ba ki a jingkershan di ka rukam trekam jong ka sorkar ka badai ka bam jujakan. Ha bakli la kandan ne ka jingta ya ka BJP ha po Meghalaya ka babuan ki riungay Kristan uba karkerang ulaong baka roy ka par kan long ka bakam kongsan. Wat ada ka jela ka babuan ki Kristan Henry ha ka bakod hi kipat ba ki kwa ki kampen ray Kibriyo kikwa banyo i bagi kun kikti jongki kinyo kamyo jam.
See, our preparation, see, just take an example of Assam. Okay, I think so. This after 10 years of BJP rule in Assam, other states it's always an anti-incumbency. Here, what we find in Assam is a pro-incumbency. It does not happen. You see what has happened in Tamil Nadu, anti-incumbency, right? But Assam, earlier our vote share, our number of seats have increased now. So you see, that is the ideology of BJP. Once you have a BJP government, that is what happens. You know, other parties become insignificant. You see, even if it's Christian majority also, but ultimately people want development. Okay, people want to see their children employed. People want to see their family members. You know, now what's happening is that even whatever qualifications you have also, it's either you leave the state or you should be happy with whatever meager wages that you get. I mean, people ultimately, what they want development in the state. And for that development, I mean, it's ample, very clear that it's only BJP can bring that kind of development. You mark my words. I'm saying today, you see 2028, you come back to us, you'll find BJP with double digit.